just pause the video if you want to read them right now. Actually, use it. It tells you all the floors and what's on the floors and all. Okay, here we are, the Holiday Inn lifts, Belfast City Centre. If you want to go check out my video, you can see the behind the scenes. So we'll go out here and we'll take a ferry. There's a ferry over there. There isn't very much to see right here. So here we are. We'll have a look at here. Here's a ferry.
Not very much of a view, is it? You can see City Hall just about.
Yeah, you can see the Opal Tower over there. Yep. Okay, it's the Opal Tower. So let's go look over here. You can see there's a tea making area.
Big corridor, and that's about tea and coffee making facilities, and that's it.
It's just rooms. Yeah, just a very massive, a big massive corridor. Hi.
Right.
I haven't done my cab for you yet. Let's do it. Okay. It's just your basic lift. Hey.
Just your basic Otis 2000 lift, and yeah, it's got different walls to.
The floor's a wooden floor. Do like a floor.
It's nice floor to notice that. There's a very nice ceiling up there.
Nothing fancy this lift.
Just your generic Otis 2000 lift.
Okay, we'll get out of here. And here we are back down at the lobby.
I do smell something very nice down here.
There it goes.
And
Looks like that lift is broken. It's not closing, but